HouseLab is a collaboration platform that targets the home renovation and new home market for both builders, property developers, and designers, as well as their clients. The website aims at improving the process of handing over a renovated or newly built property from builders to their clients by taking the whole process online. It stores all the information on a cloud-based platform and making it interactive and easy for people to manage building or small renovation projects by bringing together all the related staff, process, communication, and documentation into one central place. Also, building and maintenance via ticketing and document management system makes the process better for all involved in building, renovating, and managing homes. To cater to both low volume and high volume customer base, there are three types of users: personal, one who manages their own home; subcontractors, who deals with trades; and property developers, who manages single or multiple projects. The subscription for the account types are dependent on the number of projects and the ability to add company branding. In order to create a visual presentation and highlight the key functionalities at a glance, we have a customized dashboard from where users can upload documents, expenses, contacts, tasks, and effects. If they have already added components inside modules, they can also access them from the left-hand navigation bar, again making it easy to collaborate everything at once. They can also create a team by adding other members and then provide each of those members with certain permission roles. To save the unnecessary overhead of searching for files that needs to be uploaded for respective toolkits, users can upload bulk files and save them all in uploads, and then simply drag and drop the files to the respective toolkits, which is simple, easy to monitor, and also one can clearly see how the data actually transfers right on the screen. One can also create rooms and simply drag and drop components of the toolkits across these rooms. The main idea behind this whole platform is to make it easy for people to manage their homes and find all the required resources attached to any particular module under one roof. One of the essential functionality is attaching components of the toolkits to another toolkit. Once clicked on Attach Something, it displays a list of all the components of every toolkit, and user can attach them by clicking the plus sign. Once done, they can come back and view the attachments as and when required. In order to keep a track of all the maintenance items, we added a defects module where users can list all the defects or renovations corresponding to appliances or rooms or products and assign people to take care of those defects. Once the people who are marked to resolve the defects finish their job, there is a provision for them to come back to the platform and close those defects. We have the flexibility of users leaving multiple comment streams across the various added components of the toolkits. They can notify someone, and a mail regarding the comment along with the comment will be delivered in the mailbox of the notified person. In order to enable sharing information quickly and getting the answers in real time and encouraging more collaboration, users assigned to a particular project can also start a conversation regarding specific topics, and then they can add other members of that project to the conversation. One of the main business requirements of our client was to be able to replicate one single project multiple times and not lose a single bit of information. So once everything is done and all the necessary details are added into the project, the owner can duplicate the project. Once duplicated, he'll automatically get access to every module and every component within those modules. All the attachments will also be visible. The whole permission structure also gets copied across, making the process significantly faster and easier for a developer. Now once everything is complete, the owner can then transfer the digital key, which is a unique URL, to the homeowner directly through the platform, thus transferring ownership. The new owner now has the right to add and modify modules and carry on with managing his own home. We have a very sophisticated notification system put in place too. Every time an action is recorded in a module or project, users with permissions are notified. We have also developed a joining conditional business logic for the same notification to be sent via mail. Users can also choose instant or weekly basis email updates. Within a project, there are various roles. The permissions to perform certain operations are always assigned to specific roles. We implemented a very sophisticated permission access control for this application. Permissions can be provided both on project level as well as project toolkit level. This is in order to ensure that a certain level of project permission can be overwritten if required on the toolkit level. Once ownership is transferred, the homeowner, that is the one who took the handover of the project, becomes the new owner of the project, and everyone with permissions prior to handover are automatically barred from getting access to any new component that are added to the project until the permission is overwritten. But they can still get access to whatever had been added prior to handover. In order to generate leads for the suppliers who advertise on the site, there is also a very sophisticated content-based advertising and lead generation module that displays various articles that falls under categories that is sponsored by particular people or by firms. This is also of use to the homeowners and property developers as the contact details are provided right next to the article itself. Coming to the backend, admin can see a list of all the projects and associated details like who created it and what is the budget for that project. He can also get a list of all the users and their personal contact details. We have also developed an advanced filter to get a list based on parameters and then make a report out of it. Impersonation is a very innovative method where the admin can log in as a user and experience the same issue that a user might have reported. These are the key features of the Content and Collaboration Hub that makes it very easy to create, manage, and share tasks, expenses, documents, and images for both property developers and homeowners. At the platform's core, there is a simple dashboard that allows everyone involved in the design, construction, and home management process to upload all relevant information. From warranties, manuals, plans, permits, paint colors, to key contact details, all the information is stored in a digital home.